Hello traders, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Akinola King. I'm the lead instructor. So guys, this is a strategy on how to raise more accounts. If you are trading with $5 to $10 account, then this video is for you. The one thing I want you to understand before I proceed with this tutorial is that this strategy will test your patience. And I know you may have come across the saying of trading is 80% patience, 20% of execution. Yes, that statement is very right. So guys, let's proceed with the video. The best you can do for yourself is not skip any part of this video, because if you miss any stage, you may you may have to use your money to pay for that, because you will blow your account. Because every information in this video is very important for this strategy. You can't assume. You understand? I know you may have come across a lot of strategy, or you have used a lot of strategy, but never assume. Let me tell you to the end of the video what build up this strategy and how it works. So number one thing I want you to understand is that having a strategy does not guarantee all the trades to be profitable. A strategy is just like a variable that gives you an edge on the probability of the direction of the market. That is, the probability of markets moving in one way than other. That is what strategy is being used for. So that is why your risk management comes in play, and your money management. How do you manage trade when you are in a trade? How do you react when you are in a position? If you come think of it, sorry, if you come think of it, most of the accounts you have blown is not about strategy. Sometimes it's because you have a one lost in a day, you lose a trade and you want to recover. That is the most common attitude between the beginners, among the beginners, sorry. It's a very common attitude. When you have a one loss, you want to recover that loss. You don't want to end the day in a loss. Meanwhile, you have so many days to end in loss if you want to become a profitable trader. I don't know if you understand what I'm explaining. You are going to have a loss of losing day if you want to become a profitable trader. You understand? So according to Mark Douglas, he said, as a profitable trader, you should expect more lose than win. You should expect more lose than win, but your win must be able to cover the loss. You understand? That is where your risk to reward ratio comes in play, and your risk management. But I don't know, you may have not get to that level, but once you have those psychology about the market, you will be very profitable, and you will have confidence about strategy. You understand? So to make money in the market, you have to have what we call self-confidence and self-trust. Self-confidence is absence of fear, and self-trust is knowing what to do and do it at the right time without hesitation. So enough of this psychology teaching. So let's go straight to the strategy. So we only need one indicators for this strategy. You know how to add that? Click on F plus. Select one oscillator indicator. The indicator is by Wiz Wider, the same person that give us RSI, ADX, and the parabolic SAR. So the indicator is average true range. You know what does our average true range do? The average true range is a technical indicator that measures the volatility of the market. What do I mean by volatility? Volatility is how the movement, the market movement, that is what we call volatility. So how fast is it? You understand? So if market has a low volatility, you see that the market will be moving slowly. But if market have a high volatility, you see that you may place a trade now, boom, your trade enter profit, or it's your stop loss. That's what we call high volatility, and it's happen if you are trading currency pair. It's happen most during the news. So the market will be moving up and front in microseconds. Markets will give you like 100 pips, 200 pips in a second. That is high volatility. Sometimes it's advisable not to trade when the market is very volatile, because you may not know what to do, or the broker may have to eat your money because the spread will be very wide. So let's come back home to this strategy. So, like I said, average range is a technical indicator that measure the volatility of the market. You understand? So the period is going to be 14. So come to the levels here. So we are going to add level. Click on this F plus. So if you are using Apple, so you see add level at the downside here. You see the add level. Click on it if you are using Apple. This is an Android. So the level we are using is 1.5. 1.5. Then go back, change this to like 2 pixel, then change it to black color so that it will be more clearer on the chart. Then go back, so then click on save after you have done that. So let me explain something for you about this indicators, this average true range. You know, it shows how price fluctuates in a given time frame. And the time frame we are using for this strategy is 1 minute time frame. The higher the value of this indicator average range, the higher the probability of trend change. So, like I said, the higher the value of the indicator, the higher the probability of the trend change. While the lower the indicator's value, the weaker the trend movement is going to be. So how does this applicable to what we want to trade? You understand? So if you have a $5 to $10 account, stick to what I'm about to say and follow it. Don't add or remove to it. Don't add or remove to it. You are free to demo trade and do some back testing just to build the self-confidence and self-trust on the strategy. Because without those two elements, it will be hard to make money from the market. If you don't have self-confidence and you don't have self-trust, what did I call self-confidence? As if self-confidence is absence of fear. And when there is no fear, your emotion will not have power to control you. You understand? So after you have eliminated fear, then you must have self-trust. Self-trust is the ability to do what you know to be done at the right time, at the time it's supposed to be done. You know that you want to do this thing and you do it the time it's supposed to be done without hesitation. You understand? That two element has been the key factor helping me to date. You know, the most painful things for every trader is having your analysis, you understand, but you don't have your self-trust in play. Maybe you are afraid if you put on this trade, has this trade enter? Can I enter this trade now? If I enter this trade, I will lose money. And you will leave that trade, and that trade will be the most successful trade for that week or for that day. And you'll be like, you may later come out to jump on board the trade, and later the trade may come back to your stop loss and then go back, or you just give you small profit. That self trust is very important. But you can't build self trust without having a self confidence first. You have to eliminate that fear. You understand? So once you have eliminated that fear, self trust will also be activated. So guys, let's go back to the strategy. Let's go back. So you don't have to follow this video. Every information telling you is not outside the trading. It is actually what's important most, because trading is 80% psychology, 20% methodology. All this we are doing, according to Mark Douglas. If you read this book, Discipline Trader, you understand what I'm saying. All this we are doing is the methodology, you understand? The fundamental technical analysis, they are just 20%. Trading is 80% psychology. So running enter scatter after the strategy and how to analyze markets is just, you are just playing around 20%. You understand? You are just playing around in 20%. Well, let's go straight to the point. Don't let me okay. So how does this strategy plays out? So we have our level here, 1.5. You can see the level. The reason why I say this strategy is going to test your patience is because it is not a strategy that will be giving you signals per minute or per hours. So in a day, you may just have like 2 to 3 signals, just, and it's for scalping. This strategy has helped you to filter the original from fake, filter the original from fake. You understand? Filter the valid from the invalid. So that is why the signal may be limited to like 3 to 4 5 in a day. So not your regular strategy giving you multiple signals in a day, and at the end of the day you have a lot of reds, few win. So but this, once you have a one good quality signals in a day, so how does these strategies work? You see that the level, this 1.5 appear here, you understand? So one thing about this indicator is this average range is that anytime that spike happen, spike happen on crash 1000 down, but in average range, the spike will go up. The moving average, this green line will go up instead of down. So once this spike take the moving average on average range ups, and it take it above the 1.5, you buy immediately. You buy. So let's see what happen here. The spike happen and it take it up. So you buy to count your 5 candle. This is a small account. So you buy from here. The spike has already helped you to drag the moving average above the 1.5 level. Then you buy, you count your 5 candle. You enter from here to this level and you come out of the market. You understand? So same thing applicable here. So the spike has already dragged the moving average up. You enter from here, see, just count your 5 to 6 candle. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Same thing here. So if you enter the trade here, let's see if the spike is going to wound us. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have flipped the market before the spike happened. Imagine. Same thing here. You see this is a much candle, but you only need 5. So just take your 5 and assess the trade take your 5 and exit the trade. Same thing happen here. This strategy is working. You understand? You can see that the way I'm even talking and explaining, I have this much confidence. You can sense some confidence in my voice. It's because this strategy is giving me joy. You understand? It's giving me joy. This strategy have the power to turn down your $5 account to $100. But you know what? This strategy will really help you in a 20% way. You are the one to balance it with that 80% psychology. What are the psychology you need to put in play? Patience. One, don't be greedy. Two, don't let your emotion control you. Five, because sometimes when you stay from the morning till night, maybe you don't have any signals and you only get one signal in the night, you'll be like, ah, wow, I just get one signal, I must pick like 20 candles. You knock am big lots, knock am big lots. According to Daniel, don't knock am better lots. No, you don't have to do that. You understand? So don't let that lot size affect the size of your account. So use the normal lot. Every day is a blessing. You understand? Today you may have one signal and tomorrow you may have 10 signal. But if you use that your greediness to blow the account today because you only get one signal, you may not be live you may not be able to live and witness the 10 signals tomorrow. You understand? So guys, I believe you learn one or two things. Apart from the strategy, you also get one or two psychological tips on trading. So that is what we do here on KeenFX Academy. I want to also tell you this. For now, I didn't offer any service. So in case you come across someone online or you message anybody that says you should pay for anything, that is not KeenFX, you understand? So for now, I didn't offer any service. The service I offer is to come and give you guys a strategy, a good strategy to make money and free signal on my Telegram channel. The link is under the description of this video. I drop free signal anytime I have the chance to drop the signal. I drop it there. We still make money. Yesterday I still dropped the signal today. So I didn't offer any mentorship. I didn't do any training. I didn't provide VIP signal. The only Telegram channel is the Kine First Telegram channel. I doesn't have any VIP or anything, and I don't offer any paid. I don't have any paid program. I don't collect any money from anybody. So if anybody is asking money or you see one comment online, someone is complaining, that is not me. I didn't offer anything. So I believe we should grow together. You understand? So because when I'm teaching, I'm also learning. So that is where I get my pay. So and I'm very always happy when I see people that said, okay, it's because of me they achieved this, or if not for what I said, they will have. So I like seeing that there's no amount of money that passed that for me. You understand? So once I'm making money through the market, so I don't need to collect money for any other thing. So the forex market is paying me. So why should I still collect money? Though I don't ask you not to pay for mentorship for people that offer the program, because in this journey, in this industry, so it's not what you can do alone. So you need mentor. So if anybody offers you that, you can pay for their mentorship. You understand? So that they will be able to put you through. But anyone I can do for free here, I will be doing it. So guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Cheers.